Hey guys, Joshua Peterson, Peterson Electric. It is week 12 of COVID. You'll probably remember this video because of that. We are right now just a couple days before Memorial Weekend on the 20th, year 2020. For my SEO guy, this will be labeled bathroom remodel, going from a single bar light, we call them the Vegas bar bulbs, to two separate vanities. Okay, so what that meant is that this was homes like mid-80s. Pretty old school, definitely been up there a long time. And that's a single bar mount. There are times that there's just a whip, but this actually had a pan. And I lucked out. I was able to actually fish it around. There's a vent stack right here and a 2x4. I was able to fish that over and then take out this hole from that smart box and then mud over here. And then the pan box from here went to there. Luckily, it was long enough to go in, and I was able to daisy chain these and get those mounted. And so I actually like that he put it in the vanity first. I just had to cover everything and sweep it, because then I know for sure that we're centered. Sometimes people tell me that the vanity's next to the wall, and then the plumber scoots it out, and I'm roughed in ahead of time. And then instead of being 15 and a quarter inch and 50 and a quarter inch here from the wall, I would have been off 3.5 inches right there. So it worked out really well for him to have this, and then we could hit dead center to this, and then make sure that's level straight down coming this way. And there are bosses that go over this. You can flip the fixture, but these are generally designed to be right here. And then you could put a vintage bulb in there, and it would look really nice. If you're going to dim them, you got to have a dimmable LED dimmer. I like C.L Lutron. And then you have to have vintage bulbs that are dimmable. And those are LED, usually warm, or their style and color. But yeah, some people ask me, is this really hard to do? Well, yeah, you're going to a single mount, right? And you're trying to hit center. I've got 5 different types of brackets to use in these walls. But trying to get it with no damage is very, very difficult. But I just had a little bit here, so I mudded that for him. He'll sand it, mud it some more, and hit some texture. But yeah, that's how it turned out. But I get these requests like literally every week, sometimes every year, at least twice a month I do. So I would discuss average pricing, just email me, but I don't say it online anymore after guys in Tennessee like to hammer me. So thanks for guys for joining us, and have a good one.